The complaint says Allah's radicalization began at least 3 years ago, in 2014, when he viewed pro-ISIS materials online, and he began researching how to build IEDs on the internet about 1 year ago. We have also learned yesterday morning he posted on his Facebook account a message to the president, which I hope you can hear over the sirens behind me. That message read, "Trump, you failed to protect your nation." Authorities say Allah acted alone and was not on the radar of the FBI or the NYPD.
You've got people who are consumers of this propaganda, and these plots unfold where they're not necessarily working with anybody else or confiding in anybody else, and that's something we're still looking at here, where the conspiracy is within the confines of their own mind, and that's a very hard place to get to.
Allah now faces 5 federal charges, including material support to a foreign terrorist organization, use of weapons of mass destruction, bombing a place of public use, destruction of property by means of explosion, and use of a destructive device during a crime of violence. The investigation into Allah's background continues, Harris, and so does the heightened security here in New York City.
Rick, we heard your every word. We were hanging on them. And just to quote that suspect again, Trump, you failed to protect our nation. Is that what he said?
Trump, you failed to protect our nation. He posted that on Facebook, according to authorities, yesterday morning on his way here to the Port Authority to set off his pipe bomb.